Ivan, it's time for Dollar General's Do Now deals and coupon preview, guys. The laundry deals are hot in here today. We have some awesome gift card deals, guys. This week is hot, hot, hot. Let's get it going. Okay, guys, we're going to start off today with our 24 days of Christmas. Now, this is the one that's 24 days of Christmas today. I know I need it for my phone, but I need a couple of them because I got two kids also that vlog that started this year. So this is, I found, see this right here? This is where it was sitting at. They only had one. It's $10. These are on sale for $5. One of the 24 days of Christmas starting Sunday. Now, I think this week, 24 days of Christmas of savings is awesome. So let's scan it, okay? And there it is for $5, okay? Now, we're going to go back to our 24 days of Christmas. Let's go through that right quick. Today is the vidIQ. Tomorrow is the Celsius. Then you have 50% off on the Roughneck tools. Then here it is, guys. Remember I said hold off on those True Living red cups because they usually be, last year they were $1.50, but I think inflation put them to $2. They're 50% off on Thursday. Okay. Now, the significant thing I want you guys to pay attention to. You see these gift cards? One day, Friday only, 30% off. Pacific cards. All right. Then this Roblox, 30% off Pacific cards on Friday only. I want you to come back, go right up here, hit that. And it's spending because it's showing you gift cards. Holiday buy, save $6. So combine those two. I think that'll work out for us as a good deal, all right? Now, another thing, when you go back to this 24 days of savings, let me show you something. That's a hot commodity. Be ready. They only have two in this store. I probably have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning to get them, okay? All right, now let's get the rest of our deals going. Laundry is hot. I'm going to start right here, guys, at the Scott Tissue, the $5 packs, 12 count. Scan that, $5. And as you can see, they have two deals of spend $15, get $3 off. And then they have those are two for $8. You want to grab that one. Now, if you do the one for $3.50, okay, we scan the one for $3.50. The spend $15, save $3 also accounts for that. This is awesome if you're going to do this aisle right here. And we're going to come right over here to the Always Pay. They always have a good deal. They've been having an awesome deal on them lately. So let's look at the price of them. Here they are for $5.50, but you want the ones that ring up $5. It is a $2 off manufacturer coupon. Then they're two for $10, so you'll get them two for $8 or $4 each. Okay, the Oral-B Floss Picks are at $3.35. We're going to scan that. When we scan it, we see that it's $3.35, and they have a $2 off coupon, making that $1.35. Awesome oral stocking stuffer because you also have more deals coming up. You have the Colgate at $3.25, and you have a $2 off coupon on the Colgate. You have the Colgate Optic White that is $8. Let's scan it. $8. You have a $4 off coupon, and then at 2 also attaches, but be smart and use the 4 and get that for a lower price. Hey guys, let's look at the battery operated toothbrushes right here. Let's see, $6.35. You have a $2 coupon that attaches to that, making it $4. Okay. Come right here to the Vaseline, guys. We have a BOGO on the Vaseline. The Vaseline is $4, and you have a $4 off 2 coupon, making one of them free or $2 each. And we're going to go to the Gold Bond right here. Let's scan it. It is $5.50. But that one doesn't have the coupon. But you can do 2 for $10. But this is the one I want you to do. Pick up one that has a coupon attached to it. There it is. This one has a coupon attached to it. $6.95. They gave us a $2.50 coupon, 2 for $10. So they're gonna lower them to $10. Then we're gonna take $2.50 coupon, $7.50 divide that by 2, $3.75. Awesome stocking stuffers, guys. You're gonna come over here to the travel section. Come right here to the Vaseline. You're gonna scan it. It's the little small one right here, 1.75 ounce. We're gonna scan that. $2.50. It's a $1 coupon, so they make it $1.50. And guys, this is the thing: stocking stuffers are very cheap. Okay, a care package, Angel Soft right here. The Angel Soft tissue. If you have someone that prefer Angel Soft over Scott, it's $6.35. We have $1.40 off coupon. That is a good deal also, but don't forget that Scott has been $15, save $3. You can do a lot of baskets with that one. Okay, and then we're going to come right here to the sparkle paper towel. Scan it. Sparkle tape paper towel, $6.35. We have $1.40 off coupon. Laundry aisle is where you want to be at because it is awesome on the laundry aisle this week. Okay, we have a number of coupons. I'm going to the laundry aisle. I'm going to show you an awesome deal right now. You're going to pick up 2 of these Purex Natural Elements. We're going to scan it. Now you see all the coupons. Spend 15, save 3. It's a DG coupon. $2 off manufacturing. Whenever you see the scissors, tap it, turn it into a check mark. Then you have a buy one, get one free snuggle when you buy Purex, okay? That matches that green one because it pulled up with it, okay? Tap that one. Then you have a earn $2 cash back limit of 1, all right? Now you could do this either 2 ways. You can either pick 1 Purex, you can do 1 Purex and 1 snuggle. And this is how that deal will go. Purex is $10, the snuggle is $3.75, that's $13.75. The first thing that's gonna come off is that freebie for $3.75. Leave you at $10. Then don't forget you have a $2 coupon. Take the $2 off, leave you at $8, divide that by 2. $4 each. The takeaway is this is $4, all right? Or you can do it like this. You can do it like this. You can do 2 Purexes and 1 snuggle. That spent $15, get $3 off is going to kick in. And this also should kick in. Now remember, if it does not, this is a Dollar General coupon and that is a Dollar General coupon. So that's your struggle. So this one might kick in right here. So if you just spend 15, save 3 kick in, the $2 manufacturer and the $2 cash back might kick in, okay? So you could try it whichever way, whatever way you do it, this deal is going to be awesome, period. Now let me show you another deal that I think is a great deal too. You're going to come over here to the all, pick 3 of them up. So you're going to put 1, 2, 3 alls in your buggy. We're going to scan it. $5. $4 off too. Whenever you see the scissors, tap it. Then as you can see, you have a $3, spend 15, get $3 off. 5, 10, 15. We already reached that mark. Plus we're going to get $4 off of 2. Then you have another manufacturer for 1. $2 off cash back after you pay out. So let's do that deal right there. So we got $15. We reached that, so take your 3 off. Then you're going to take that $4 off of 2 coupon, leave you at $8. Once you cash out, you're going to get another $2 off, leave you at $6. Divide that by 3, you're going to pay $2 each. That is an awesome deal. Now you cannot do the all and the Purex coupon deals together. You have to pick one. So if you want to do a better one, I would do this deal and then get the Purex and the snuggle. And you could do this and still get that $2 off coupon. So that's how I'm going to do my deal because I'm doing awesome care packages this week. Let's get to the Tide, guys, because come over here to the Tide, guys. The Tide gave us a manufacturer and a Dollar General coupon, and I never get 2, so whenever I get them, I am stoked. Okay, here it is for $9.95. We have a $2 Dollar General coupon, and we have a $1.50 manufacturer. So $9.95, take away that $2 Dollar General. Then you're going to take away that $1.50 manufacturer, leave you at $6.45. That's the awesome deal right there. You can also do it on these. Don't forget Game, the one for $7.75 or $7.50, has a $2 off Dollar General coupon and a spend 30 save 5 that never works. If you're gonna do that, do the $2 off Game coupon, okay? Turn right here because the Tango Game is back on sale. Remember they gave us an awesome deal on it. So now we're gonna scan that right here. Oh, this, and what's this? Spring, I don't know. Spring.